Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're unboxing the GORUCK Heritage GR1. This is how the box showed up. It looks like it was taped together partially by FedEx, because this isn't the typical GORUCK tape job on it. Hoping that everything's inside. I actually ordered two things in different orders at pretty much the same time, and only one showed up. And they said both were delivered, so I don't know. Maybe they shoved it in here. We'll see. Got the GORUCK insert. This one's a bit newer than one I've seen for my past orders, so it's kind of cool. It's in full color. Got the return label on it. A little bit of packing material. A GORUCK sticker. And the backpack. Not sure where the other package is, but I'll probably be contacting FedEx about that. It comes in a plastic bag, so we'll get that opened. Included is, looks like some fabric wax. The Heritage GR1 is a waxed canvas version of their 21 liter GR1. It's a really expensive pack, like I mentioned, $595 retail. I didn't buy it when it first came out because it's a ton of money. What I ended up doing was during the 12 days of GORUCK, I bought a bunch of $100 gift cards, and so I got a bunch of free event entries, used those on some upcoming events, gave some away to some friends that have never done events before, ran a couple promotions for free events on the website. With those $100 gift cards, ended up buying the pack, so I didn't get this for free or anything. And I figured that the events, the 6 entries plus the ruck, is probably worth $595. Honestly, it took that to get me to buy this. There are only 300 of these made. As of the time I ordered, there was roughly 190 of them left on the website. And this is an awesome backpack. The bottom is leather. The entire thing's wax canvas. The logo up here is sewn in, so there isn't the traditional spot to put your own Velcro morale patch. There's no webbing on the side. No webbing on the shoulder straps. The shoulder straps are sewn in like the current version of the GR1 is. Zipper pulls are the same as the traditional GR1. Pocket runs to the bottom. This is a 21 liter pack. They did not come out with a 26 liter version, which I was kind of sad about. I like the bigger GR1, but we'll see. I have a GR0, which is the equivalent of a 21 liter GR1, but I haven't used it much. Usually I give that one to my wife if we're traveling or something. We've got the top handle. It's got a leather over the wax canvas handle, so that's a pretty nice touch. They kept the hydration hose exit, which is cool. I don't know how many people would be using this for hiking or for an event. Backpack straps flip around really nice. I know some of the 1000D Cordura packs they can get a little stuck. So it's cool to see that. Top compartment, what you would expect. They've got the standard frame sheet in it, that white plastic one that comes in all the traditional rucks. Let's get this thing open. Traditional clamshell opening, like all the other GORUCK packs. Let's flip this around so you can see the inside a little bit better. It's got the 3 rows of webbing, 6 columns, just like the traditional GR1. It's got the document, laptop, whatever pocket, whatever you want to stick there. Flip this thing around. We've got the GORUCK GR1 built in the USA Heritage leather logo, which is nice. Top pocket. Bottom mesh pocket. About everything you'd expect from a GR1 right here, just in a wax canvas version with leather accents. So again, the leather touches the inside label, the outside label, the bottom of the pack, and the grab handle on top. Just speaking about it after seeing it for roughly a couple minutes, it's a really nice bag. The Heritage GR1, it's a nice pack. Is it worth $595? Really, really depends on how you look at it. You can buy wax canvas backpacks for $100, $150. So a wax canvas bag in itself does not make it a really expensive backpack. What you're essentially buying is a kind of a piece of GORUCK history. It's their 10-year anniversary. They did some different things on it than are on the traditional GR1, one of which was adding a huge price tag. So is it worth $595? That's all up to you. If you want to own a piece of GORUCK history, their limited edition, only 300 made backpacks, then yes, it might be worth it to you. If you're looking for a really well-made wax canvas USA bag, if it has to be GORUCK, then it's worth it to you. If you're just looking for a GR1 for events, I'd probably grab, I don't know, one of those. The ones that aren't $595, because I don't know how wax canvas will hold up at an event. I do know a 1000D Cordura is awesome. It would kind of suck to ruin a super expensive backpack at a GORUCK event. And that's about it. You just have to ask yourself why you're buying it, what you're paying for it. Do you get the 25% off discount? And if that's worth it to you. For some people, it definitely is. For other people, it's not. And that's totally fine. Honestly, even at the way I did this with the 6 $100 gift cards, 6 free events, giving some away, throwing some promotions on the website, and then using the gift cards for this, I'm still up in the air on if it was worth the price. But we'll see. I'm going to use it. I'm going to see how it works. Definitely going to do another video, probably a review on it, how it holds up to everyday use. And hopefully it turns out to be an awesome purchase. It's just a much bigger roll of the dice when you're dealing with that kind of a price tag compared with what's even expensive, the traditional GR1. If you've got any questions about this backpack, just leave a comment. I will gladly do my best to answer it. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. I didn't really know what to expect when I opened the box. I don't have that much experience with wax canvas backpacks, so it was interesting getting my hands on this. I will definitely shoot another video and let you know if I think it was worth it or not. As you can probably tell, I'm still on the fence. Thank you so much for all of the support. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. We'd truly appreciate it. And don't forget, attitude is everything, keep yours positive, and drink hard, rock harder.